What is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. You know the equation of a straight line in the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of a straight line. If a straight line cuts the coordinate axis at a, so the coordinates of a is a comma 0 and the coordinates of b is 0 comma b. Equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of the line. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. Today in this session I will take the problems based on straight lines. In the previous class we have discussed regarding the problems and the derivation on straight line. Based on those derivations, I will take very important 5-mark question in this session. Now, the first problem is the problems on standard form of equation on the straight lines. Now, let us discuss one by one. First one, find the equation of the line. So, what is required to find? The equation of a line. Find the equation of a line which passes through 5 comma 2. What is the point given? Point is 5 comma 2. Passes through 5 comma 2. And cuts off the intercept which are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Now, which cuts off the intercept. So, you know the equation of a straight line in the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of a straight line. Now, which cuts which are in equal magnitude. That means the intercept a and b are equal but opposite in sign. A is equal to minus b. This is the given condition. That's it. Okay. A is equal to minus b or b is equal to minus c. Now, therefore, this equation becomes, therefore, the given equation x by a just as it is plus y divided by b can be written as minus a is equal to 1. This is x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. Take LCM, a is the LCM, x minus y by a is equal to 1. So, therefore, x minus y is equal to a is the equation. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay. Now, just what is the condition given? Since this passes through the point 5 comma 2. So, this passes through the 5 comma 2. Now, put x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X minus y is equal to a. What is x? 5 minus 2 is equal to a is equal to 3. Since a is equal to 3, what is b? We have b is equal to minus a, that is minus 3. So, b is also equal to minus 3. A is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 2. Now, therefore, the required equation is of line, required equation of line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by, what is a? A is equal to 3 plus b is minus 3 is equal to 1. Substitute here, take LCM, 3 is the LCM, x minus y is equal to 1. So, therefore, x minus y is equal to 3 is the required equation. That's it. So, the required equation of the line is x minus y is equal to 3. Hope you followed. See, let me explain. So, here the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since what is given? So, 5 comma 2 and cutting the intercept which are in equal magnitude but in opposite direction means a is equal to minus b or b is equal to minus a. Substitute here, x by a plus y by b is equal to minus a is equal to 1. So, take LCM, a is the LCM, x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y by a is equal to 1. Therefore, x minus y is equal to a is the equation number 1. Now, since this passes through the point 5 comma 2, therefore, put x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 in equation number 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, a is equal to 3. What is b? B is equal to minus a, therefore, minus of 3, b is equal to minus 3. The required equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, x by 3 plus y by minus 3 is equal to 1 or x by 3 minus y by 3 is equal to 1. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM, x minus y is equal to 3 is the required equation. So, x minus y is equal to 3 is the required equation. Now, move on to the next problem. What is the problem? Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point 3 comma 4 and having the intercept on the axis such that their sum is 14. The sum is equal to 14, right? Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point. What is the point? Point is 3, 4, having the intercept on the axis. So, x-intercept is equal to A, and y-intercept is equal to B, such that their sum of the intercept is 14. This is given. Now, what is the equation of the line? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1, right? What is given? A plus B is equal to 14. Now, listen to me here. Since it passes through the point 3, 4, having the intercept on the axis such that their sum is equal to 14. So, the x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B, sum of the intercept A plus B is equal to 14. The equation of the line is of the form x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now, get the value of either A or B from this equation and substitute here and simplify, you will get the answer. That is it. Okay. Now, A plus B is equal to 14. What is B from this? B can be written as 14 minus A. Substitute here. This equation becomes x divided by A plus y divided by B. B is 14 minus A is equal to 1. Take LCM. A into 14 minus A is the LCM. Cross multiplied. X into 14 minus A plus y into A is equal to 1. Or we can also write 14 minus A into X plus A into Y is equal to cross multiply A into 14 minus A. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Since what is the condition given? This straight line will pass through the point. It passes through 3, 4. Put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 in this equation number 1. So, 14 minus A into x is 3 plus A is as it is into y is 4 is equal to A into 14 minus A. Simplify this. So, if you simplify, you will get the required answer. That is it. Okay. If you simplify this, 14 into 3 that is equal to 42 minus 3A plus 4A minus 14A minus 14 minus A square becomes plus A square is equal to 0. Now, if you put this in a standard form, you are going to get a standard equation in the quadratic form A square, then how many A terms are there? So, minus 14A plus 4A is minus 10A, minus 3A is minus 13A, and constants 42 plus 42 is equal to 0. After simplifying 42 minus 3A plus 4A minus 14A plus A square, so just put it in the standard form. A square minus 14A plus 4A is minus 10A, minus 10A minus 3A is minus 13A plus 42. So, A square minus 13A plus 42. Factorize this. This 42 can be written as 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. So, this can be written as, so A square minus 13A can be written as minus 6A minus 7A plus 42 is equal to 0. Here you can take common factor. A is a common factor, A minus 6, minus 7 is a common factor, A minus 6 is equal to 0. So, this is A minus 6 into A minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to 6 or A is equal to 7 are the values. So, if you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the factors as A is equal to 6 and A is equal to 7. When A is equal to 6, what is B? B is equal to 14 minus A. 14 minus A. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. So, when A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8, first value. Similarly, when A is equal to 7, what we will get? B is equal to 14 minus 7, that is equal to 7. When A is equal to 6, first equation, when A is equal to 6, what we have? B is equal to 8. Equation of the line is equation of line from 1 from 1. What is equation number 1? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by A is 6 plus y by B is 8 is equal to 1. Just take LCM, cross multiply it. 8 6 are 48. So this is 8x plus 6y is equal to 1, or 8x plus 6y is equal to 48. Now divide it. So if we divide by 2, yes, what you will get if you divide by 2, 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. This is the first equation, right? Okay. Now see, if you want to check the intercept, what is given? Sum of the intercept is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now let us come to case 2, second equation. Case 2, when A, what is A? A is equal to 7, B is also equal to 7. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 7. Equation of the line is x by 7 plus y by 7 is equal to 1. If you take cross multiply LCM, and you will get x plus y is equal to 7. That's it. Okay. So these are the two required equations. Hope you followed. Very important for 5 marks. Now move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? If a straight line cuts the coordinate axis at A and B, and if 3, 2 is the midpoint of AB, find the equation of AB. Now here, if a straight line cuts the coordinate axis at A, so the coordinates of A is A, 0, and the coordinates of B is 0, B. And if 3, 2 is the midpoint of AB, midpoint of AB is given, that's equal to 3, 2. Then find the equation of the line AB. So very simple problem. If it cuts the coordinate axis at A and B, means the coordinates of A is A, 0 and B is 0, B, and the midpoint of AB is 3, 2. Just use midpoint formula. So what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is the equation of the line. Now, what is given here? Midpoint of AB. Just find out the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is equal to, what is the midpoint formula? What is the formula for midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now midpoint is given, that is 3, 2 is equal to midpoint of this. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now what is x1? A. x2 is 0. A plus 0 by 2. A plus 0 by 2, 0 plus B divided by 2. Right? Okay. Now this is equal to 3, 2 is equal to A plus 0 is A by 2, B by 2. A divided by 2, B by 2. Now equate it. 3 is equal to A by 2 and 2 is equal to B by 2. 6 is equal to A. Therefore, A is equal to 6. 4 is equal to B. B is equal to 4. Substitute A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 4 in equation number 1. Put A is equal to 6. B is equal to 4 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? This is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So, x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. X by 6 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Take LCM. Just multiply. 6 4s are 24. 4 into x is 4x. 6 into y is 6y is equal to 1. Or 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Divide by 2. If you divide by 2, this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, which is the required equation of the line. So therefore, the equation of the line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. That's it. Hope you followed. Very simple and important problem for the point of examination, right? So very simple problem. Let me explain. The straight line cuts the coordinate axis at A and B. A is A, 0, B is 0, B, x1, y1, x2, y2. and the midpoint is also given. Midpoint of AB is 3, 2. Just use midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. You will get the coordinates as a by 2 and b by 2 equate to the midpoint. So, you will get a is equal to 6, b is equal to 4. Substitute in the given equation, that is substitute in the standard equation. X by 6 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Take LCM and simplify, you will get the answer. Now, move on to the next problem. A line passes through 3, 4 and the portion of the line lies between the axis is divided at the point in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation. So, here a line passes through the point 3, 4 and the portion of the line between the axis is divided at the point in the ratio 1:2. So, here what is the point? Point P x comma y is given. The point is 3, 4 and the ratio is given m:n is equal to 1:2. This is the given condition. Now, we have to find the equation of the line, right? Now, write down the coordinates of A. So, A is equal to A comma 0. This is x1, y1 and B is equal to 0 comma B. This is x2, y2 and the Px comma y is 3, 4 and the ratio. Now, what is the equation of the line? Equation of the line is the required line is of the form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now, just since it divides in the ratio m:n is 1:2, therefore, just use the formula internal division. What is the formula? Internal division. What is the formula for internal division? Px comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Use this formula to find the value of a and b. That's it. Now, here this is given p x comma y is 3, 4 is equal to m:n. Here m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. So, m 1 into x2. So, x2 is 0 plus n is 2 into x1 is a divided by m plus n 1 plus 2 comma m is 1 into y2 is b plus n is 2 into y1 is 0 divided by 1 plus 2. Simplify this. So, 3, 4 is equal to 1 into 0, 0, 2 into s 2a divided by 3, comma 1 into b is b plus 0 divided by 3, b by 3, right. Now, this is equal to 3 is equal to 2a by 3 and 4 is equal to b by 3. Cross multiply this. 3 3s are 9 is equal to 2a. So, a is equal to 9 by 2, right. Then cross multiply 12 is equal to b is equal to 12. So, a is equal to 9 by 2 and b is equal to 12, right, or the intercepts. Now, substitute these values of a and b in equation number 1. So, equation 1 becomes put a is equal to 9 by 2 and b is equal to 12 in equation number 1. So, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a is 9 by 2, y by b is equal to 12 is equal to 1. Transfer this to the numerator, 2x by 9 plus y by 12 is equal to 1. Take LCM, 108 is the LCM, 108 is the LCM. So, if you divide 108 by 9, it will cancels by 12 times. 12 into 2 is 24x plus if you divide 108 by 12, it will cancel by 9 times. 9y is equal to 1. Let me continue this. Now, take LCM 108 and cross multiply, you will get this much. So, if you cross multiply, what you will get? 24x plus 9y is equal to 108. So, that is 24x plus 9y is equal to 108. Now you can divide by 3. If you divide by 3, 8 3s are 24, this is 8x plus 3 3s are 9, 3y is equal to 108 by 3 is 36. So therefore the required equation is 8x plus 3y is equal to 36. That's it. So 8x plus 3y is equal to 36. 8 into x plus 3 into y is equal to 36 is the required equation of the line. That's it. See. So a line passes through 3, 4 and portion of the line lies between the axis is divided in the ratio. That means the ratio is given. So then find out the equation. A is equal to a comma 0 and b is equal to 0 comma 0 as usual. Then this is x1 y1 x2 y2. We know the internal division mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. The ratio is m is to n is equal to 1 is to 2. So m is equal to 1, n is equal to, substitute here. So you will get the equation of the form 3 comma 4 is equal to 2a by 3 and b by 3. So 3 is equal to 2a by 3, which implies a is equal to 9 by 2. 4 is equal to b by 3, which implies b is equal to 12. Substitute the value of a and b in the standard equation. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Take LCM and simplify. 24x plus 9y is equal to 108. So divide this by 3. If you divide by 3, what is the answer we are going to get? 8x plus 3y is equal to 36 is the required equation of the line. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Now next, find the equation of the line, which equation of a line whose x and y intercepts are equal and passes through 2 comma minus 3. This is also a very important and simple problem for 3 marks. Find the equation of the line whose x and y intercepts are equal. X intercept and y intercept are equal and passes through the point 2 comma minus 3. Given that x intercept is equal to y intercept. X and y intercept is nothing but x intercept is a, y intercept is b. A is equal to b. Now what is the point given? Point p x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 3. Equation of the line is of the form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, equation number 1. Now just substitute the value. A is equal to b here. So x divided by a plus y divided by, put b is also equal to a is equal to 1. So just take LCM. A is the LCM. A gets cancelled. X plus y is equal to 1 or x plus y is equal to a. Now since this passes through the point, what is the point? So it passes through 2 comma minus 1. Put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. If you put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3, what happens? 2 minus 3 is equal to a, minus 1 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. Straight away you can substitute here. Now, since we know that x plus y is equal to a, put a is equal to minus 1. So x plus y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. That's it. Okay. Now just substitute the value of a is equal to minus 1 in this equation. So that is, put x is equal to a in x plus y is equal to a. A is minus 1. Transfer this, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. That's it. Very simple problem. What is the problem given? The x and y intercepts are equal and passes through the point 2 comma minus 3 means a is equal to b. Substitute here, you will get x by a plus y by a is also equal to 1. X plus y is equal to a. Put x is equal to minus, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3, the given point. 2 minus 3 is a is equal to minus 1. Substitute this, a is equal to minus 1 here. So x plus y is equal to minus 1. Transfer minus 1 to the left hand side. You will get x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is the required answer. That's it. The required equation of the line. Hope you followed. Now let us move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? This is very important problem for the point of examination. The intercept of a straight line on x and y axis are in the ratio 2:1 and it bisects the line joining 3, -4 and 5, 2. Find the equation of the straight line. So what is given? The ratio is given m:n in the ratio 2:1. So that is here m:n is equal to 2:1 is nothing but the intercept of a straight line on the x and y axis are in the ratio 2:1. The intercepts. So what is given? The intercept a is to b. That is nothing but a is to b is equal to 2:1. That is nothing but a by b is equal to 2 by 1. Cross multiply. A is equal to 2 times b. A is equal to 2b. Now, another condition. So, and it bisects the line joining 3, -4 and 5, 2. Bisects. So, just find out the midpoint of 5, 2. So, midpoint of this. So, midpoint using midpoint formula, midpoint of these two is 3 plus 5 by 2, -4 plus 2 by 2. So, that's equal to 8 by 2 and -2 by 2 is equal to 4, -1 is the midpoint. Okay. Now, this is x, y. Now, what is the equation of the line? The equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Right. Now, this is x by a. What is a? 2b plus y by b is equal to 1. Now, since it passes through the point 4, -1, put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -1. So, 4 divided by 2b plus y is equal to -1 by b is equal to 1. Take LCM. What is the LCM? 2b is the LCM. 2b and b gets cancelled. 2b gets cancelled. This is 4 minus b and b gets cancelled. What is left is 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 1. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2b is equal to 1. 1 by b is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to 1. The value of b is 1. Since what is a? A is equal to 2b. Since a is equal to 2 times b, therefore, a is equal to 2 into 1. A is equal to 2. So, here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Substitute this. Put a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 in the standard equation. X by a, x by 2 plus y by b, 1 is equal to 1. Take LCM, 2 is LCM, cross multiply, x plus 2 into y is 2y is equal to 1 or x plus 2y is equal to 2. Therefore, the required equation is x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. That's it. X plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a straight line. Okay. So, this is how we are going to solve this problem. Right. Very simple problem. Just find the midpoint of the given point and the ratio is given a by b is 2:1. Simplify, you will get the value of a and b. Substitute in the standard equation. X by 2 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. Take LCM, 2 is LCM. X plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Hope you followed. So, these are all very important problems for 5 marks and 4 marks for the point of examination. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.